Hello, today we want to unbox the Magewell USB Capture HDMI Gen 2, and then also I will demonstrate how to live stream on Facebook with Vmix and then OBS. So here is the device. Okay, let me unbox it. Yeah, so simple. Yeah, cable below. Yes, so this is the device itself, and then the cable is below it. Yes, okay. So it comes with just a 3.0 USB. There's no any flash drive or a CD for any driver. It's just because it's plug and play. So this is a device so small, fits into my palm, and then the cable. So now I need to connect it to my PC. Because it's a 3.0 cable, I need to locate a 3.0 port on my PC. So I first of all connect the USB 3.0 and then find the space on my PC, USB 3.0 port 2. Then I connect to it and wait for it. Since it's plug and play, I don't need to install any driver. It will work by itself. So after a while, it's it's done installing. Then now I need to connect my camera. I'm connecting the camera that is facing me here, this particular camera, to the input. But first, let's add it and see what happens. So if I go to Vmix, I launch Vmix, add input, Vmix, add camera, and then camera, I select my particular camera. This camera comes, the capture card comes in at USB capture HDMI, yes. So USB capture HDMI. My frame rate, the frame rate for the camera is 1080p 60. So I select my 1080p here, and then the frame rate should be 60p. Okay, and I click OK. Yes, so it's working. When you see no signal, it means it's working. So now I need to connect my camera to the device, the HDMI, and then by the time I connect it, live. Yeah, I can see myself. Okay, so now I need to stream. Since you can see the USB capture card, the sound is working, the sound meter is moving up and down. So now we need to live stream. So so go to settings, stream settings. Okay, so now you can choose the destination, custom RTMP server, or choose Facebook. If you choose Facebook, you'd have to log into Vmix. You can use custom RTMP server, and then so that means you have to copy the URL and then the stream key. So open your browser and then go to your Facebook page. Get to your Facebook page, then look for publishing tools. Click on publishing tools, come to the right hand side, look for videos. So under videos, you find video library. Click on video library. When the library loads, come to your right hand side and look for live. So click live and then wait for it to load. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So when it loads, now you see two links here. Copy. So the URL is here. I first of all copy the URL, and then I go to Vmix, paste my URL, and then also copy the stream key. So go back to my Facebook page, copy, go back to Vmix, paste. Okay. So when I'm ready, I just save and close. So save and close, go back to Vmix, and then stream. So I just need to click on stream on Vmix. Okay, so immediately it changes to red. That means you are live. So I can go back to Facebook to see, So here I am. So you give your title, any description you want, then you click go live. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to this channel, tap the bell icon so that you can get a notification anytime we upload a new video. I'll leave a link at the description on where you can get one of these devices to buy in GH. Thank you.